right. They usually are.
Matthew, come on, get off the bed, let's go.
She's a witch too, you know. I mean, the only reason you love her is because she casts a spell on you.
No.
Yes. Sad but true. That's why I'm here. To help you forget about it.
What do you care?
Matthew, get off the bed. Look, you scared the shit out of me. Thank you very much. Let's go.
No. You gotta pay.
You're just jealous.
Jealous? Jealous? You don't even exist to me.
You don't even exist. You are nothing. You are shit. You don't exist. The only way you know how to treat women is by treating them like whores. When you're the whore, and that's gonna stop. Do you understand? You understand what I'm saying?
I'm sorry.
You suck.